Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at IFX Brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. IFX Markets and IFX Brokers is a beginner-friendly online broker that is based in South Africa. This broker is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and operates under the Financial Markets Act. If you are worried about the safety of your funds when trading with this broker, you can rest assured that your investments will be held in separate accounts with trusted banks, and your account has negative balance protection as well as indemnity insurance. This broker also provides an intuitive built-in wallet that will make it easier to monitor your portfolio and manage your risks. IFX Brokers offers a diverse range of trading services and competitive spreads to private and institutional clients globally, and is one of the most trusted brokers in South Africa. IFX Brokers uses pricing from multiple banks and liquidity providers to offer the best spreads, and trade execution is 100% automated. As a client, you can trade hundreds of instruments on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, and there are multiple account types to choose from. IFX Brokers offers over 200 commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, and forex pairs. With this broker, you can also trade precious metals, such as silver and gold, natural gases, as well as crude oil. There are over 69 tradable currency pairs, and the spreads on currency pairs typically start from around 0.1 pips. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 100 on the IFX Cent account, or 1 to 500 on any of the other accounts. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks, so be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with IFX Brokers, hover your cursor over the Tools tab and head over to the Instruments page. If you require any assistance, you can reach the IFX Markets customer support team via email or telephonically. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. If it is your first time trading, the safest and easiest way to start trading is by opening a demo account with IFX Markets. Using a demo account will allow you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds, and it will give you an opportunity to test the platforms and learn the basics. Before you open an account, check out the introductory guide provided to gain a basic understanding of how trading works. Once you have familiarized yourself with the basics, check out some of the market analytics tools and resources and start practicing using your demo account. We recommend developing your trading strategy and style before you open a real account. When you are ready to open a real account, consider trying the standard or cent accounts, as they require lower minimum deposits and are designed for beginners and low-budget trading. As an experienced or professional trader, you're most likely seeking ways to find the best trading conditions, tools, and platforms that are optimal for achieving your goals. IFX Markets offers multiple account types that are suitable for all styles of trading. The account you choose will depend on your trading volumes, your goals, and your strategies. So why not try more than one account to see which one works for you? If you are experimenting with new strategies, you can do so risk-free by using a demo account or the IFX Cent account. As an IFX Brokers client, you can use the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and 5 years later, MetaTrader 5 was launched, with many new features introduced, including advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and so much more. These platforms can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website, and they are beginner-friendly and suitable for all styles of trading. MetaTrader 4 and 5 share many similarities. However, MetaTrader 5 can be used to trade more instruments, and it offers a multi-threaded, multi-currency strategy tester. The MetaTrader platforms can be viewed in more than 20 international languages, and can also be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. These platforms can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, click on Online Trading and head over to the Platforms page for a full list of features and direct download links. IFX Brokers offers 5 types of accounts, which include the IFX Standard account, the IFX Premium account, the IFX VIP account, the IFX Islamic account, and the IFX Cent account. The Standard, Cent, and Islamic accounts are beginner-friendly and require a lower minimum deposit of only $10. The Cent account can only be used on MetaTrader 5, but all other accounts support MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. If you have a larger budget and you would like tighter spreads, you could open either a VIP account by depositing $250 or deposit at least $1,000 to open a VIP account. The VIP account is the only account that charges commission fees, but it offers the best spreads, starting from as low as 0.5 pips. These accounts are all market execution accounts that can be used for any style of trading and all types of trading strategies. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing using a demo account first, until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. This broker also gives its clients the option of using a swap-free Islamic account, subject to terms and conditions. When you open an Islamic swap-free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. However, this account type is exclusive to Muslim clients. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions IFX Markets offers, click on the Online Trading tab and head over to the Accounts page. Creating an account with IFX Markets will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the IFX Markets homepage, and then click on the Start Trading button. Next, complete the online application form, then verify your account and email address. And then you can log into their client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account, however real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. Once your account has been verified, set up and approved, and you have created your preferred account type, The next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with IFX Brokers. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online, or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started and to place your first trade. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, bank transfers, and several third-party apps, including Skrill, Neteller, Ozal, and PayFast. Crypto payments are also supported. Your account can be funded using US dollars, euros, pounds, and South African rands. Deposit and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. You can make a withdrawal using any of the supported deposit methods. If you are new to trading, then we recommend reading through the introductory guide before creating your account. This guide will give you a better understanding of what Forex is, why people trade, the risks of trading, and how to trade. On this page, you will also find a trading glossary that you can use anytime you come across new or any unfamiliar words. Once you know the basics, check out their economic calendar to keep track of the latest market-related events. You can use their economic calendar to gain fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Overall, IFX Brokers is an excellent choice for beginners seeking a low-risk, low-cost broker. However, this broker also offers competitive trading conditions and powerful trading platforms for professional and institutional clients. IFX Brokers seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is always done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of IFX Brokers. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.